We will see the Ohm's law here and the numericals based on Ohm's law. But first of all, we will try to understand what is Ohm's law. You know that as long as physical state of a conductor remains the same, the ratio of potential difference to electric current is constant, and this constant is called as resistance. So V by I is equal to R. It is actually Ohm's law. So here what happened, V is directly proportional to I. Now you can see the cell, one cell is here, its potential difference is 1.5 and conductor is joined here. If we double the potential difference, two cells if we use, then potential difference will be 3 volt, then electric current also will be double. Now here we have, I have written the formula here, V is equal to Ri and R is resistance. As up I wrote that V is directly proportional to electric current, volt is directly proportional to electric current. As I told you, if potential difference is increased, electric current is also increased. So we get the formula here, V is equal to Ri, where R is the resistance. And resistance, you know, it is measured in ohm. So I have written here 1 ohm. Now R is equal to V by I, it will be the formula. So 1 ohm is equal to 1 volt upon 1 electric current. Electric current is measured in ampere. So 1 volt upon 1 ampere. So we have got here 1 ohm is equal to 1 volt upon 1 ampere. Let us come to the formula. Let us come to the numerical. Formula we have already seen. We have already got that V is equal to IR. And now we will see this, how much current will an electric bulb draw from a 220 volt source if the resistance of the bulb filament is 1200 ohm. So bulb is here, potential difference is applied about 220 volt, and resistance, that filament itself is a resistance, and that resistance is 1200 ohm. What is to be calculated here? We need to calculate here electric current. How much electric current is passed? So the value of I is to be calculated. Value of V is given, that is 220 volt. That is 220 volt. And the value of resistance is 1200 volt. Now we have written here formula that V is equal to Ri, and the value of V is given, value of R is also given, and value of I is to be calculated. So I is equal to V by R, where V is 220 volt, potential difference is 220 volt, and resistance is 1200 ohm. 1200 ohm. So V by ohm is nothing but ampere. So current will be measured in ampere. Now we will try to reduce the value here. That 0 0 cut, 2 11s are 22 and 2 60s are 120. And then finally we get the value 0.18 ampere. So how much current will on electric bulb